In this video, I'll show you how to use an external FPS limiter to fix stutter, especially with Rivet Tuner. All you have to do is open up Chrome and search MSI Afterburner. Select the official site, select the final option and download it. After the download done, click on this folder icon, right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select extract to. After the extract done, open the MSI Afterburner. Uncheck this Northern 364 Gamer and select the install option. Select yes, select the OK option and select next. Accept and select next. Make sure you checked this River Tuner status server and select next and select next and select next. Click on OK and select yes option. Select next, accept and select next, next, next. After the installation done, select the finish option and select finish. Now you can see in system tray MSA Afterburner and Rivet Tuner. You need to open the Rivet Tuner status server. Select the add option and navigate to the game folder. Steam games usually in the program files x86, Steam folder, Steam apps folder, common folder, and open the game folder. You will find the game application file and select open option. For example, I'm doing this for PUBG game. I don't have any other games installed right now, so you can do any games you like. On right side, you can able to see frame rate limit. You need to select the website FPS. As you can see, 60 Hz monitor you can set to 58 or 60. I'm gonna set 58. That's perfect. And then select the enter key and it will be saved. Now just minimize this and launch the game. As you can see, it will be running in the background and it's gonna be limit the FPS to 60 and fix the shutter problem. After you are in game, you just need to press the escape key and go to settings and go to advanced and make sure the VSync is turned off. As you can see, disabled and and now you can check if frame time spikes and shutters are gone. It's definitely gonna be gone, and I'm gonna show you guys the method to you can cap the FPS in game if suppose the game has the FPS cap in settings. All you have to do is just press the escape key and go to settings. In graphics you find FPS cap option. Set this to 60 FPS and this is method 2. Method 1 is work for every games. By doing this step, you will fix the shutter problem completely, guys. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.